Hello friends, and again welcome back to my channel. So friends, you are viewing my channel. I bring a new website for you that's named trxico.com. So friends, I will give the totally new about this website. How can you deposit your money? How can you withdraw your money? So first of all, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification about my new coming video and comment in the comment section. So without wasting our time, we will start our video. When you get the registration link of this website from my description, you can get invitation code here. You can paste your mobile number, login password, security password, then type this code here and click on the sign up button to register in this website. So friend, as you can see here, we will successfully sign up in this website, and you can see here we can get 550 TRX reward in this website. That is our total balance. Here the learn and help, click here to learn how to invest and make money. So friends, here the deposit, withdrawal, share, team app and logo option. Click on the deposit button. As you can see here, investment is divided into two modes: recharge into the mining machine account according to the Sri Lanka time zone every day to receive benefits, recharge into the wealth management account, purchase wealth management products, receive income in different cycles, and return the principal and income at maturity. If you not before investing, please choose a mining machine account or a wealth management account to invest according to your investment need. Please confirm the select account to recharge. This is very critical question. So click on the miner upgrade. You can copy this address and go to your own wallet. Go to the on wallet, click on the Tron button. As you can see, click on the send button, paste your address, and 20 TRX is continue from here. As you can see, whenever 20 TRX is depositing from here, then I tell you how can you withdraw your money. So friend, as you can see here, you can have two accounts: mining machine account and financial management account. So in mining machine account, you can see all of the money that present in your website, and in financial management account, when your friend joined this website from your referral link, you can get rewarded money in financial management account. Here the hot investment, in which you can see most popular financial products, daily 10% and 1 day cycles. Here the daily 15% and 3 day cycles. Here the platform that is displaying which accumulated profit and membership are present. You can see here official white paper. Here the official white paper of this website. Use cloud mining and DFA technology to ensure that as you get the most TRX renew. Click view detail button to get all information about the white paper of this website. As you can see, the 30 pages of the white paper. So you can see here the financial surprises, authority, safety and financial investment. So friends, you can read all about it here, the white paper and the website totally. So you can see here the 38 pages of the white paper. This is the last white paper page. So friends, now come back to our website, and you can see here about us. We are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in the blockchain transaction with a small amount and capital of small amount of capital and of same stable income like insurance. So here are some global partners of this website, in which Bitmain, Binance, Coinbase, WazirX are included. Now we are going to trading, and in trading you can see you can get plus 8.3% daily profit. Here the cloud mining is working. Latest price Ethereum $3065.99, Tron $0.062550. So Binance Coin for $16.100000, USDT $1.002400, Dogecoin. So you can read all about it here. Now click on the investment button. So in investment you can see mining center, daily profit 8.3% profit today, 4.15% total deposit, TRX 50 TRX, upgrade immediately. So here the minimum deposit, maximum deposit and computing power. So you can read all about it here. Here the daily profit 9% grade available. So second is the daily profit 10.5% grade available. Third is 12.5 grade. Fourth is 16.5 grade, and fifth is 21% grade available. So now back to our website and go to the activity. In activity you can see register to give 5 TRX immediately, deposit bonus gift back, TRX IEO platform daily profit of 8.3. So here the friend share level of reward. Here you can see TRX ICO is an ambitious project dedicated to building and infrastructure. So friends, you can read all about it here. When you can click on this, you can read all about of this website. So now click on the mine button. As you can see here, miner account and finished account, number of drops. So here the team, investment, product, investment order, miner upgrade, password, app and lookout option. Click on the team button. As you can see here, the level 1, 2 and 3 date and amount. You can get commission in this website according to your investment need. You can get 10% commission in level 1, you can get 7% commission in level 2 and you can get 3% commission in level 3. You can get date and amount here. So now click on the investment button. As you can see, the wealth management wallet does not purchase welfare products and does not generate income, and the funds can be withdrawn at any time. So friends, you can read all about it here. Then invest in this. So friend, as you can see here, click on the confirm button and our 20 TRX is depositing from here. Then I tell you how can you withdraw your money. So come back to our website. So our 20 TRX deposit is successful. Now click on the withdrawal button and you can paste your daily withdrawal limit, that is 5.8100, and paste your withdrawal address here and your security password and click on the confirm button. So as you can see, we will successfully withdraw our amount here. So friends, here you can click on the notification button and you can get all the notification here. So you can read all about it here. Here the official Telegram customer service, official channel, legal white paper. So friends, I will give you the totally know about this website. How can you deposit your money, how can you withdraw your money, and you can see this is the most profitable website. So join this website and earn your money more and more. We will meet in a new video. So take care of yourself.